Thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to teach you how to automate certain spreadsheet operations. Specifically, I'm going to teach you and show you how you can sum up daily transaction data and express the total sum of the transactions by month in groups with just a few click of buttons. My name is Paul Trin, and my goal is to save you a ton of time and energy using Row 64. Let's get right into it. I have here a transaction data set of daily transactions, about 76,000 of them. I'll maximize this out for you. And if you wanted to say find out monthly information by a specific customer, how much sales they were doing on a month-to-month basis, you could easily do that with Row 64 with just a few click of buttons. All you need to do is quickly load your data set, like I just did there, drag and drop. Click on the recipes and go to transform. Once you go to transform, go ahead and click on insert group and sum by month. And there you get the syntax of the formula itself. I'm going to go ahead and pop open Python here so you can see what's going on underneath the hood as we start changing things around. But you want to make sure that in the first argument that you have selected here on A, you want that to make sure that that is also on your date column. B will be the next argument will be B in this situation where I want to group by customer. And the last argument here is really where you want to do the arithmetic calculation, the column in which the numbers sit on. So I'm going to go ahead and change that to D. And once you have that, you just go ahead and click Run, and immediately the Row 64 responds with the by customer the total monthly sales of each customer. There you have it. Traditionally, inside of other spreadsheet softwares, it's really just time consuming, extremely time consuming to do this sort of calculation. You have to set up a bunch of if statements, some if statements, and it just gets kind of clunky and becomes prone to logic mistakes. With Row 64, you could do this with just, as you saw, a few click of the buttons, super fast, super easy, and also there's really no data limitation. You could work with 1 million, 100 million records. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Now, if you want additional tips on how to save time and energy, make sure you follow me and subscribe to the Row 64 channel. Thanks so much. Visit us at row64.com and make sure that you register for our forums where you can ask questions, request new features, report bugs, and talk to us as well as engage in our active community. We really thank you for joining us today and welcome to the future of data science.